But there is currently a zombie apocalypse afoot, and it's our job to survive. We can't waste any time. I need to prepare you guys. We're going to start, though, by just talking about the perils of this zombie apocalypse. So raise your hand if you've ever seen The Walking Dead. Can we turn your lights off, please? All right, so I have some Walking Dead fans. You guys are now entering your own Walking Dead episode. You are now in our own Walking Dead episode. So just as all the episodes start, we need our title sequence. I couldn't fit your names in, but you're still in this episode. The zombies are outside right now as we speak. This is our season. So we needed 4 plus 3. And let's see what happens if we add these. Alright, so I'm going to call out a student to help me out. Everyone's ready. Who am I going to call? Desiree, help me out. I'm adding these two equations. You're helping me with it. Let's just go straight down the list. X plus 3x. What do we get? Desiree, x plus 3. 1x plus 1x, you got this. That's why 4 what? Yes, that's why I called you. I know you knew this. 4x. Keep going with Desiree. Y minus y is 0. Let Desiree, she's got it. I trust her. Equals, and then 5 plus 2 is 12. See? That was pretty easy. 4x equals 12. Huh. What does x have to equal then? Tristan, what do you think? Tristan, what do you think? No. That's what I called you. Well, no. What does x have to equal? You just said it. 3. Why does x have to equal 3, Parker? Yes, perfect. I love the way you said that. So x equals 3. Wait, so we already found one of the coordinates to this solution just by combining the two equations? Is that what we just did? Yeah. But what do we do with this 3, though? We're not done. What do we do with this 3, Brittany? What do I do with it? I just should have circled the 3. Where do I put it? Where the what is? X is. Alright, so if we do that, 3 plus y equals 5. Write that out. I'll let Dante write down all these notes on the whiteboard. 3 plus y equals 5. That doesn't look too hard. Tracia, what are we going to do? I know you got this. How do we get that y by itself? The 3's on the same side. Wait, what? I don't know. Probably subtract. Is that what you said? How about definitely subtract? You do know. Subtract that 3. Minus 3. Thank you, Tracia. Y equals what then, Tracia? 5 minus 3. Was it? 2. Thank you. I couldn't hear you the first time. Remember, I got vehicles and zombies, so I can't hear that well. So our answer is 3, 2. Our zombie apocalypse. Zombie apocalypses don't end in one day. This is your first zombie attack. We'll see if you guys are up to it. But what you have to do is you have to solve the following problems before the zombies overrun our camp. Now here are your directions. You will have 10 minutes, measured by a timer right in the middle. The timer is in the form of a circle. The circle gets smaller and smaller and smaller as the 10 minutes go up. If you are not done by the time the circle is done, the zombies have gotten you, okay? Now, you have a lot of people at your table, so this is what I want you to do. I want each person to pick a problem out of the 4 up here and solve that problem. You can work with each other. I'll be running around helping you guys out, but pick one problem each. If there's 5 at a table, 2 people can pick one problem and work together. But go ahead right now, quickly decide in the next 20 seconds which problem are you going to do. Tell your group which problem you're going to pick. Whoever's the strongest should do number 4, by the way, because I'll help out that person. But number 4 is a little different than some of the other ones. All right, 6 seconds. 5. Pick your problem. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, when I say go, you must complete these problems within 10 minutes. Good luck. Put a red cup up if you get completely stuck. I'll do my best to run around and help you guys out. So far, no periods have died from the zombies. but it's come very, very close. One period, it was like 10 seconds was we beat it by. So here we go, 10 minutes, and we have begun. The circle is starting to get smaller. So go ahead and write down your problem, begin solving, you can talk to each other. Start by writing out your selected problem. I want you guys to do at least 3, because you all.
We do number 2.
You can do at least 3.
By ourselves. I'm doing number 2.
If they don't match up, we need to talk about, remember when we talked about the data class that multiplies? How are we going to multiply this equation for minus 9? Okay, negative 2. Perfect, do that. If you're doing number 4, Devin has a good idea. He says multiply the first equation by negative 2, like we did at the beginning of the class. Yes.
Okay, but when you subtract that,
Okay. Yeah. But will these cancel out? No. So remember at the beginning of the class that we talked about how we can multiply to change an equation? How can I get this 5x match up with the 10x? That's 1 minute.
We need help.
All right.
She said
Keep
10
working each other.
minutes.
I'll be over as soon as I can. But what do we have to multiply by to get the 5x match?
I need help.
5 times what? Alright, keep going though. Keep hustling. I'll be over in a second. I know. Keep hustling. Do your best. Times negative 2. To make it negative 10. Negative 2. Multiply. No, but you want to make one negative, one positive, so you can just add it. You know what I'm saying? So like we can do this equation times the negative equation. So just rewrite this equation and multiply the negative. The first one would be what? 10x. You said they're going to cancel out now? Then negative 2 times y is. And then negative 2 times 9 is. Alright, now you can combine and solve.
Mr. Mills. Mr. Mills.
This is more dangerous than anything. I almost just died. What's up? Jesus. That's another minute. That's another minute. Yes. Let's see.
Is this a 1?
Well, we have negative y and positive y. Yeah, 1x plus 2x is 3x. Right? What's up? Yeah, what's your question? Alright, what I was saying, can you see a record? I was telling them is that remember we can multiply.
What are we doing with that
We
ready?
can
Number
multiply.
2, I'm not changing either. Do you hear me?
5 times 5 is 25.
I don't know how to do it
But we
either.
want to make it negative. So, so negative 2 times 5 is
19
negative what? Negative 2 times 5. 10x. And negative 2 times y is negative what? 2, negative 2 times y is negative 2y. And then negative 2 times 9 is negative 8. And so you can combine this. Right, just combine this. X plus 2x is 3x. Negative y plus y is 0. So that's 0. 11 plus 19.
X is. Did I do that right?
We still got a lot of time, guys. We have a lot of rings left. Alright, so guys, these are opposites. Those are opposites. So let's combine them. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0. That's 0. Then 5y plus 4y is what? 5y plus 4y is what? 5y plus 4y. 9y equals, and then 1 minus 10 is negative 9y equals negative 9. So you have to solve from there. What do we divide by?